question. Hey Arif,
Yeah.
have you read the materials about the internet?
Yes, I have.
Thanks you. What's the story about and the definition was?
Internet. Internet is that stands for interconnected network. The definition is the internet is a connection of millions of computers connected to thousands of different networks. These computers communicate, that is, share, exchange, and transmit data to another computer on the same or another network. For the history, the internet is a computer network that was formed by the United States Department of Defense through the ARPA agency project, which developed a network called ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency Network, where they demonstrated how a Unix-based computer's hardware and software works. Do you know some of the many uses of the internet?
Yeah, of course. The first one is social networking. It is to communicate with people around the globe. For example, there is Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp owned by Meta. There's also Twitter, and which now called X, which owned by Elon Musk. And there's also Kakao, which came from China. Uh, I think application called Line, which came from Tokyo, Japan, and there's many more the example. The second one is online shopping, a form of electronic commerce which serve the customer to directly buy goods and service from around the globe. For the example is Shopee and Tokopedia, which come from Indonesia. The Alibaba, owned by Jack Ma, which came from China. There's also eBay and Amazon, which came from United States of America. The Amazon one is owned by Jeff Bezos. And the third one is online gaming, a video game that is partially or primarily played through internet. There's mobile gaming, which you play the game with App Store or App Store, but it's for iOS and Android. The second one is console gaming. For example, that's PS, PlayStation like PS5, PS4, PSP, PSPX. There's also the Xbox like Xbox Series X, Xbox 360. And I think the Nintendo is Nintendo Switch. And lastly is a PC game that you buy the game from primarily from Steam or Epic Games. Yeah, that's all.
Hmm. What else did you read about the network?
I read about the protocol.
Protocols. What kind of protocols?
The FTP and stand for File Transfer Protocol. It is tasked with bridging the exchanging information in a computer over a network with a TCP or transmission control protocol connection. There's also IP address, a series of numbers that represent the identity of a computer in an internet or another network. Ah, did you know some search engine materials?
Uh, Search engine. Yes, I have the definition. A search engine is a web-based program that aims to search information through the World Wide Web, www, prefix that's usually at the start of URL websites. Uh, the World Wide Web is a global set of of documents, images, and other resources logically interrelated to by hyperlinks and reference with uniform resource identifiers URIs. Do you know some search engines and what did you use?
I know some the search engine one. The first and the most used one is Google Chrome, which is I think 64.7% of percentage user. The second most one is Safari with 18.59% of user. It's also on Firefox, Edge, Opera, and etc. Maybe I don't know. Oh, and for what I use the most is Opera and Google Chrome. It's all the material.
Mm, yeah, I think that's all.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, there's a new episode of One Piece out. Wanna watch?
Nah, sorry, I'm kind of busy.
Oh, come on.